Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to download and play Warzone Mobile anywhere in the world. Before I begin, you need to know some information about Call of Duty, Warzone Mobile. To do that, visit the link in the description and learn them. At the time of publishing this video, to download and play Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, you will need a VPN service and connect to an Australian server. I recommend you to use VPN Australia. Turn on your VPN and connect to an Australian server. Now, open Play Store. In the search box, type Warzone Mobile and you will see it. If you can't find Warzone Mobile on Play Store, then open a web browser and use Google search. Type Warzone Mobile, then click on the result coming from Google Play Store. Now, you can download and install Warzone Mobile. After install is done, to be able to play Warzone Mobile you need an Activision account. Click sign up to create an account. That's it guys. Hope this helps you. Any questions please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.